Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of November 19th, 2024, our system has assigned Apple a rating of hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of 0.0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, achieving a gain of nearly 10% since we initially recommended purchasing Apple 19 days ago. This equates to an average return of approximately 0.52% per day, since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken the weak rising short-term trend upwards, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. In the event of any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which has been broken at $247.72. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on a significant move. According to fan theory, $265.52 is projected to be the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that may not be overcome on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 7.45% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from negative 1.59% to 6.3%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a 35.57% shift over the next year, with a potential return between 14.18% and 43.97%. This translates to a price range of $286.64 to $361.42 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Apple. The Apple stock price gained 1.17% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, rising from $248.13 to $251.04. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.51%, with a low of $247.65 and a high of $251.38. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.78% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 17 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 46 million shares were exchanged for approximately $11.540 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $251.38, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 0.13%, or $0.39, below the 52-week high of $251.38, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding Apple Inc. highlight promising prospects and significant innovations that could impact the stock notably in both the short and long term. a JP Morgan analyst has outlined a bullish case for Apple in the year 2025, driven by potential enhancements in artificial intelligence. While leveraging AI could amplify growth, the company is simultaneously pursuing new hardware designs to maintain momentum. Reports indicate that Apple is working on a giant foldable iPad, envisioned as two iPad Pros when unfolded, signaling a bold move into the lucrative foldable market. This innovation could diversify Apple's product lineup and draw consumer interest. In addition, Apple is rumored to be developing thinner and foldable iPhones for next year. Such advancements could rejuvenate enthusiasm for the iPhone line, especially after a period of more modest upgrades. The company appears to be taking cues from competitors like Samsung, but aims to enhance foldable technology by eliminating display creases, a flaw notable in rival products. These strategic initiatives, highlighted by Apple's plans for new product categories and advanced technology, suggest a proactive approach to sustaining growth. In the short term, these developments may drive investor optimism and positively influence stock price. Over the long term, successful execution of these innovations could position Apple competitively, further broadening their market appeal and boosting revenue potential. As the company adapts to evolving consumer preferences, stockholders may see substantial value creation moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned AAPL an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that UBS gave AAPL a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was also reported that Jefferies assigned AAPL a hold rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AAPL an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned AAPL an underweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $247.28 and $233.67. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 13.08%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered to be a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 146 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's examine the support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock discovers support just below today's level, stemming from accumulated volume at $232.87 and $228.20. Testing a support level carries inherent risks. If it breaks, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this scenario, Apple encounters support just below today's level at $232.87. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $228.20 and $224.23. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.73 between its high and low, which is 1.51%. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 1.4%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson executed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted another insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo sold 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams sold 8,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.793. In total, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $243.11, indicating a decrease of 3.16%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, reflecting a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 92, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 29 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive signals. However, these do not seem sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Instead, it is advisable to consider it as a hold candidate, suggesting that one might want to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 17th, we anticipate that Apple will open lower, specifically down by $1.02, starting the session at $250.02. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.